Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Welcome back. Welcome to. My name is Joe Josh. I go by iChart Daily. Today is March 19th. In today's video, I'll be giving you a window to my thought process on what potentially could be playing out on Bitcoin and XRP specifically. So, mark the date, cuzzies. Officially, the SEC has dropped the lawsuit versus Ripple. There are no more hurdles, right? So let's see what happens. Long time coming. I do want to say for the first time in a long time, the bot that I keep having run on the live streams officially has changed from blood to caution on DOT, Tron, XLM, and XRP. What does this mean? This means basically the weekly is still bearish. The weekly RSI is still below the 50 line, but the daily RSI is now above the 50 line, showing you that you have potential moves to the upside. But you still need to be cautious, hence the symbol, because the weekly longer time frame still remains bearish. When you have the weekly and the daily both below the 50 line, it is a guaranteed bloodbath. When you have the weekly bullish above the 50 and the daily below, you will get a clock telling you to just be patient. It could just be a consolidation. When both are in section A, the weekly and the daily, it is rockets to the moon. So, XRP. It's funny how this just popped up. XRP. First things first, we are having a golden cross right below the zero line. That is a good thing. Your most recent high from the most recent death cross is here at $3.14. Most important thing, what did I tell you the other day? Yesterday, excuse me, is the 2-day below the RSI or is the 2-day above. Officially, not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only, but I might be opening up a long position here on XRP. What am I now looking for? I'm looking for a 3-day. Okay. We could see here resistance. We have finally broken out of the falling wedge. The falling wedge, let's just say, has a move to the upside of $3.80. I'm going to delete everything, go to the good old fib from the most recent swing high to the low here. I'm curious to see what pops up here. I'm doing this live, right? You guys are now asking to see my plays. So we are, once we break the 262 confirmed, we're going to head to the 280. After the 280 confirmed with the wicks here, we'll probably head to the 302. Once the 3-day goes above the 50 line, and it is right now, you can clearly see we are breaking market structure. We were using it as resistance, 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 resistance. We did have somewhat of an inverse head and shoulders, right? I mentioned the other day that XRP looked pretty decent. And now we have room to grow. See, this is the first thing that I look for in my plays, right? Am I getting in exactly when we are officially breaking market structure? Excuse me. I don't know why my computers weren't. Possibly could be the script. Come on, man. There we go. Okay, so we are officially breaking in. We're only at the 54 on the 2-day, which is the time frame that shows you officially like we are bullish. We are only at the 54. So what does that show me? We have room to grow, right? Just scroll down. You can clearly see, right? Overbought is close to the 70 line. That's the first line in the sand, right? All the way here, right here. So as long as I know I have room to grow just back to the 70, I am going to use that as my take profit levels. I'll go to a weekly chart. Yep, I would like to see it break these two, let's just say right here, 262 level. Then you should see some selling pressure at the 293. Go back to the 2-day. This was support right here. Okay, this looks like a nice double bottom W pattern, taking us back to even the greed level of here, which is 263 to 274. Daily, yep, I like it. Looks like a nice inverse head and shoulders, right? Low, lower low, higher low. I'm going to set an alert here at these resistance levels of like the 260, 261. 12-hour, 6-hour. This would be a 8 to 16% play. Doing it live for you guys. I don't like doing it live because by the time I finish this, like this, okay, the reason why I don't do the short-term stuff, I have to do it live, right? I can't make a video, then edit it, not even edit it, but like turn it into the video, add my intro. By the time I'm done with this, it'll be 11 o'clock. The plays could potentially even be, somewhat over. Boom. Those are my levels. You got 4%, 8.5%, 17%. You're getting regular bullish divergence. Your MACD swings are getting higher. These were getting lower. Now this is getting higher and this is getting higher. I would like to see it break this level here. I would like to see it break this. All right, this was key resistance in the past. This 53 to 55. I am going to set an alert here at the 5501. Notifying me that the next level to watch is this one right here at the 6123. I will set an alert there. Notifying me that again, I should possibly take some profit off the table because we're hitting overbought territory. Moving averages are now white. Excuse me. Yeah. MACD is literally about to golden cross. This is the most perfect time to get it because these are trailing indicators. So literally the pump is happening as we speak over the next 10 hours and the next candle. MACD has RSI a ton of room. I like it, dude. I like the play. I like it a lot. Once again, support was down here. Where am I putting a stop loss? I'd probably just do like a 2-3x leverage. Make sure liquidation price is below this. I mean, technically, this right here would be the 215. With the 2x leverage, your liquidation price is probably going to be down here, which would allow this to even come back down, retest, and go back up. Today, Jerome Powell is talking. Never a good time to do trading, but I do see some potential on the horizon. I'm watching the 1 day on Bitcoin. Most important thing is we are officially golden crossed below the zero line, showing me that we could go flat. Your most recent high was the 87 to 90,000, so we have potential to go there. If we break the 50 line, we are breaking the moving average and we're breaking this resistance of the 85,000. What I do then is go to the 2-day. I know the 2-day looks like it's about to golden cross. You can see here right now. You can see here we have broken. Now this is the 2-day, right? This is like the beginning of the longer time frames that have an impact, right? So if we have a golden cross, and once again, yesterday's video I said we want to see higher lows and the break of the moving average. Now this shows me if this pumps just back to the 50, that means this pumps back to the 86,000 to the 88,000. So now I'm confluencing the XRP move with the Bitcoin move. Okay, so this goes up 1% to 5%, market goes up, XRP goes up, Go back to XRP versus Bitcoin. This looks even better on the 2-day, right? We've golden crossed above the 0 line. We've had bullish divergence all the way since February 28th, right? Because that was the second bounce to showed you a higher low, higher low, higher low. Section A above the moving average, room to grow. If you have room to grow versus Bitcoin and Bitcoin's going up, that's a double positive. As of right now, everything looks good. This does look like I said in the, I think 2 or 3 videos ago, this was looking like the start of an inverse head and shoulders. I mentioned we did not want to break these lows here so that we could form a higher low to this one. You can see we came down to the 80,000. So now I'm going to confluence the 12-hour. 12-hour, we are breaking above. We're making higher lows, lower lows, higher. We're going up. This looks like a nice W pattern. I would set an alert here at the 85.5 on Bitcoin, letting you know that you're breaking probably the moving average, the 50 line and resistance. Then I'm switching to the 2-day. You could see here we're probably going to need, what, one more candle for this to golden cross, and then if the 1-day goes up, then this helps the 2-day golden cross, because once again these are trailing indicators. Yeah, and then once again, if the 2-day just stays in section B, we have room to grow, just like I said, back to the 87 to the 88,000. 3-day, we would like to see it go up to the 88, 90,000, form its first higher low. If that happens, that helps the MACD on the 3-day. Once again, now you're looking at the 4-day. 4-day shows overall trend. If you remember the video of me saying the 4-day is the one that showed you when the MACD golden cross, a death cross, it was the beginning and the end of the official swing. So as we start seeing the daily, the 2-day, the 3-day form more bullish structures, then the 4-day will form its bullish structure. And then if you have a break of the 50 line and a golden cross on a MACD, on a 4-day, it is the end of this downtrend, and you missed the opportunity of buying more at the 70-something thousand that filled the CME gap. That's that. The bot was also showing Tron. Yeah, Tron's been looking good since I made the video of it. So weekly had a nice consolidation, came back to the 50. Your weekly, right? So your weekly is above, daily is popping back below. This shows me once again, this could just be a nice little healthy consolidation. When I'm doing trend lines, I turn off everything and I go to longer time frames. Resistance. Something just happened on XRP. Resistance. Support. Yeah, we want to see the 2-day pop back above. Curious to see TRX BTC. Let's see, start with the monthly. Monthly, we remain bullish. We're breaking into section A. Monthly, we were forming lower highs, lower lows. We, boom, bullish right here because we went above, used it as support. Right here, right here. Like, I wait for confirmations. If you guys are waiting for me to do like daily trades, it's not happening, bro. You know, not financial advice, but I would rather bet with like a 2-day, 3-day, even a 4-day chart, but use a lot of money and do less trades. So I was like, as of right now, I wasn't doing nothing right here. Now, as your confirm, 1, 2, we want to see it break the 54, 52. That's what I'm seeing. That's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing resistance from here, 0.0283, 0.0337. We need to break this level. Once we break this level, Tron then goes to this level and then eventually to these wicks right here. That might be your say all tell all right there. So you have a risk of 25%, a reward of 70%. Set an alert here, 0.0297. Set an alert here, 0.0338. Set an alert right below 0.0445. Go back to this one. Yeah, this needs to stay above the 70 line and stay above the moving average for another pump to happen. And this needs to stay above 5, 4, 3, 2, 3. Yeah, Tron needs to break this 24 cents. Needs to. So I would set an alert here at the 50.79 level, notifying me that we're breaking this resistance finally. Right here. Tron needs to, once again, it doesn't matter the ticker, the news surrounding supply, whatever it is, the 2-day needs to be above the 50 line, and the MACD needs to be golden cross and heading towards at least 0 or higher in order for Tron to break the 24 cents. XRP is flying. Looks really good right now. Bitcoin 84,000. Once again, alert at the 49. If we stay below, we are staying below the moving averages, cuzzy. It's just that simple. So if we don't break the 50, we don't break 88 to potentially 89,000. That's the video. Love you guys. Appreciate the support. Any comments, questions, concerns, leave it in the comment section. If you have any tickers you'd like me to go over, leave it in the comment section. Yeah, this looks great. This looks great, and you're about to break the 50 line with, once again, room just to grow back to 263. Love you guys. Enjoy the day.